Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing extremely well. In this video, we are going to talk about amazing opportunities. So the one of the most important opportunity that I'm gonna discuss in this video is from TCS for TCS Code Vita. So make sure to watch the complete video. But before proceeding further in the video, if you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed this channel till now, then make sure to subscribe the channel. Definitely the channel will be helpful for you and it will motivate me as well to make more such helpful content for you. So I'm sure that you must have subscribed the channel till now, right? So let's talk about our first opportunity. Also be a part of our Telegram channel as well. The link for the Telegram channel is given in the description itself. Just a quick information to share, guys, that if you're looking for to purchase any of the courses of Geeks for Geeks, you know that it is an amazing platform offering multiple courses regarding placement, data structure, competitive programming. So many courses are there on their platform. You can just visit and you can get the courses by a discount of 10%, and you can get their courses by a discount of 10% by using the coupon code study with Soumya, as you can see right now on the screen. So use the coupon code and start learning, guys. Happy learning. Well, let's talk about our first opportunity, that is Code Vita. So introduction to the Code Vita season 10 portal. Code Vita is not just a game, it's a culture now. It connects people from varied backgrounds and ethnicities regardless of physical and cultural boundaries. It's also an exhilarating way to compete beyond borders and grow more skills as a programmer. So the TCS Global Coding Contest for students to try, to err, to practice, to evolve, to improve, to complete, to win, to rejoice. Aren't these traits so very human? So in fact, these traits are characteristics of games or sports. It is this similarity that got us thinking on taking the wonderful skill of programming a notch higher. We infuse the essence of these traits into programming by making it a sport, and IO and behold, Code Vita was born. The first season of Code Beta was held in 2012. Well, they have provided kind of description. You can just go through it. Some extra information they have provided. So season 9 saw over 3,50,000 plus registration, over 98 countries across 3,500 plus institutes. Sound interesting, right? So what's in it for students? So first of all, global ranking to top coders. Top three coders will get top three coders to win total a prize of USD 20,000, a chance to explore exciting careers with one of the world's most powerful brands, that is TCS, a chance to compete with some of the best coders in the world, a platform to showcase your programming skills. Along with that, the finalists stand a chance to travel to India for season 10 live grand finale experience as applicable in the respective geographies subject to COVID-19 safety protocols and government guidelines. So with each edition, the contest has evolved and gotten better. The season we are continuing with the individual participation like the previous edition. So this is going to be an individual contest, right? Students will have the option to choose from 8 different programming languages like is C, C++, C Sharp, Java, Perl, PHP, Python, Ruby. So you can go through the format event. So first of all, there will be pre-qualifier that will be online, qualifier that will also be online, grand finale most probably that will be online in India or like at some venue as well. As of now, they have not clearly specified. The ever increasing registration number reflects the significance and popularity of Code Vita globally. The TCS flagship contest has been expanding its horizon and raising our expectation from you as a coder higher each year. So are you ready to conquer Code Beta Season 10? Then make sure to, like, they have provided you all the best time. So, well, who is eligible? First of all, the question comes that who is basically eligible for this particular opportunity. So 2020, 2021, 2022, 23, 24, 25, these batches are eligible for this opportunity. So here they have provided sample questions as well. So you can just explore them, right? So here they have provided sample questions as well. Some frequently asked questions have also been provided. Then self-help trivia they have provided, like if you have some questions on general topics, for if you want to contact them, they have provided the email ID as well, right? So you can just go through it, right? It's an amazing opportunity from TCS for TCS Code Vita. So make sure to do the registration for this amazing opportunity from TCS, right? From TCS Code Vita. So simply what you have to do is simply click on this register now. You have to first of all sign in. If you are a new user, then you have to make your account here. You have to do the registration process and you have to further proceed according to the mentioned requirements, right? So also they have specified that it is going to be the global computer programming competition. It is a 24-hour online programming contest where a participant can log in from anywhere, anytime. So yeah, this is an amazing opportunity. Let's come to our next opportunity, that is from Coforce. So it is a leading global IT solutions organization enabling its clients to transform at the intersect of unparalleled domain expertise and emerging technologies to achieve real world business impact. Well, coming to the job description, so they are basically hiring for the role of graduate engineer trainee. Number of openings they have specified. Coming to the qualification, so BTech, IT, CS, electronics are eligible. Marks in 10th, 12th, they have specified should be 60% raw educational record from a standard 10th to the higher education. Passing out year should be 2020. So this opportunity is for 2020 batch. Salary they are going to offer is 3.5 LPA. So yes, there is a bond agreement as well of 2 years for 1.5 lakhs. Shift timing that they have mentioned is going to be ready to work in 24/7 shift. Selection process, job location they have mentioned is willing to work in Coforce offices in India, which are located in Delhi, NCR, Bangalore, Hyderabad, and Mumbai. Right. So if you're interested in this opportunity, then make sure to click on apply now and provide the required details that they are asking for. Right. So let's talk about our next opportunity now. That is from MCFE. So MCFE, you can see they are basically hiring for cloud developers, software engineer. Right. So here we can have a complete overlook about this. So this is the company, this is a leader in personal security for consumers, focused on protecting people, not just devices. Consumer solutions adapt to users' need in an all-based online world. Coming to the roles, so you will develop solutions using AWS services that will be consumed across multiple services, devices, and platforms. You will implement backend architecture that can scale to a large number of concurrent users. Operate in agile Scrum tech methodologies, building the service platform, ensure reusable, testable, and efficient code using Java and other data technologies. Conduct code review with and for peers, contribute to the development and achievement of organizational goals and objectives. About you, so you should be someone from 0 to 1 year of software development experience. It means if you're a fresher, then also you can apply. If you are holding some experience, then also this opportunity is for 2020 and 2021 students. Experience with Java, Spring Boot, experience with Amazon Web Services is desirable. Knowledge of Python, you should be having experience with web frameworks such as Flask, Tornado, experience with databases like NoSQL or SQL automation, continuous integration, experience regarding virtualization, container technologies, Kubernetes, experience working in an agile team environment where you have actively participated in all phases of the software development lifecycle. Coming to the company benefits and perks, so we work hard to embrace diversity and inclusion and encourage everyone at MCFE to bring their authentic selves to work every day. Here they have specified some perks as well, so you can just go through them. So this is an amazing opportunity from the company, right? So make sure to apply for this opportunity. I hope that you have found this video useful. If this is so, then make sure to hit the like button. Do subscribe this channel, share the video among your friends as well, so that even they can know about these opportunities. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Keep learning, keep preparing. Bye-bye.